हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। यहाँ हजारों कहानियाँ हैं आपके लिए।
हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें। यहाँ हजारों कहानियाँ हैं आपके लिए।
हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। यहाँ हजारों कहानियाँ हैं आपके लिए। Anik watched her leave. He really liked that girl. Anik Verma came from a business family. His family had settled abroad. He had come to India and wanted to expand his business here. He had bought a hotel as soon as he arrived. Now, because of Renuka, he had decided to settle here. When girls found out he was the son of a rich father and had come from abroad, they would flock around him. But this girl wasn't even talking to him directly. You already know her friends. Befriend them. Whatever their opinion of you is, hers will be the same. Summer said while they were having breakfast. Yes, she's still taking her anger out on me. Actually, it's because of what happened to Janvi, Anik said. If you understand her this well, then she might like you, Renuka's sister-in-law said. Anik was the son of Renuka's mother's friend. His mother had always liked him a lot. Renuka's other family members also liked him. Renuka's family was in the jewelry business, and they were quite successful in it. Renuka's family was counted among the rich families of the city. All three friends had started going to college. Preeti knew the whole truth. She was silent even after knowing everything. By the way, Janvi, don't you think Preeti is looking more beautiful than before? Renuka said, looking at Preeti. All three friends were sitting on the college lawn. Absolutely. These are the days for her to blossom, Janvi said with a laugh. After all, she's going to become a mother. I think she has fallen in love with that Pradeep Mehta, Renuka said. I know how much he cares for her. I've seen it myself, Janvi said. Didn't you ask Pradeep Mehta about Jay? He has information about everything. No, I didn't feel the need to ask. Even though I meet him every day, what can he say? I don't want to talk about this topic anymore. Janvi said, will it disappear from your life by not talking about it? Renuka began. So many days have passed, he hasn't even inquired about me, let alone visit. I was waiting for him, she said, getting sad. I think Preeti is getting trapped by that Pradeep Mehta now, Renuka said. Do you stay angry all the time? We are both husband and wife, Preeti interrupted. Oh, so he's your husband now. Look, what I mean is that we have a relationship. We live in separate rooms, but it's true, he gives me a lot of respect. That's why don't say anything about him. Are you listening, Janvi? Renuka said. She smiled at their conversation. I'm happy for you, Preeti. Living with jealousy is very difficult. If someone's heart is lightened, then so be it. Otherwise, carrying this burden is not easy. Why are you talking such sad poetry? Don't talk such nonsense in memory of Jairaj anymore. Shall we watch a movie tonight? Let's go out for dinner. It's been a long time since we had fun, Renuka said. You're right. Let's go. Preeti, Janvi said to Preeti. I need to ask them. Oh, look at you. I need to ask them. Then ask him. Renuka got angry at Preeti. Forget about me. What happened to your Anik Verma? I've seen him. He's even hanging around the college these days. Preeti started teasing her. By the way, he's a good guy, Janvi said. Jairaj was also good. Pradeep Mehta is also good. We three girls are the bad ones. Why do you bring up Jairaj in every conversation? Janvi said. That's absolutely true. Jairaj can't be at fault for everything now. Preeti agreed with Janvi. Okay, then Pradeep Mehta must be at fault, Renuka began. Are you two starting a fight? Then today's evening program is finalized. First we'll watch a movie, then have dinner out, and then come home. All right, all three friends had made their plans. There's one period left. We'll go home after this. We'll meet in the evening. After college ended, all three went to their respective homes. Preeti had asked Pradeep Mehta about going by talking to him on the phone. Pradeep Mehta had told her to go, but asked her to be careful. Grandfather had given Janvi permission to go. All three went together. They entered the hall and started taking their seats. It's been a long time since a romantic movie has come out, Renuka said. You yourself run away from romance. Poor Anik is chasing you. You want to watch a romantic movie. Preeti has become too talkative lately. Renuka interrupted Preeti. So why should I remain silent? Preeti said. If your child also talks like you, then what will happen to poor Pradeep Mehta? He already speaks so little. Janvi started teasing Preeti. Preeti was sitting in the middle. She was flanked on both sides. All three kept joking with each other, and Preeti was the main subject of their jokes, because it was true that whatever Preeti said, Pradeep Mehta started agreeing with her. Preeti also started living happily. By the way, when are you shifting to his room? Renuka said. I will today. Really? Renuka asked. What's the matter? Let me watch the movie. Why are you two fighting? Even if it happens, what will happen? He's her husband, Janvi said. Just then, someone sat down beside Janvi wearing a mask, and Janvi didn't notice. She was busy talking to her two friends. All three were watching the movie Less and fighting more. In the movie, the hero's husband was very cruel to the heroine. She leaves him and marries the hero. Seeing this, Renuka had a thought. Janvi, why don't you also divorce Jay? Then what will happen to him? I think you should get rid of him now. Leave these things. Janvi didn't even like the talk of divorce.
हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें। यहाँ हजारों कहानियाँ हैं आपके लिए। Just then, someone sat down next to Janvi. He was wearing a mask. Janvi wasn't paying attention to him. She was busy talking to her two friends. The three of them were watching the movie Less and arguing more. In the movie, the heroine's husband was very cruel to her. She left him and married the hero. Seeing this, Renuka had a thought. Janvi, why don't you divorce Jay too? Then what will happen to him? I think you should get rid of him now. Leave these things. Janvi didn't like the talk of divorce. With only a little of the movie left, Preeti received a call from Pradeep. How long will it take you? She asked. There's only a little of the movie left. I don't want to ruin your plans, but you have to come now. I'm waiting for you outside the mall. What happened? Is everything all right? Preeti asked. Because Pradeep Mehta wouldn't have come without a reason. Preeti was worried. No, everything is fine. Aunt is coming today. You have to reach home before she arrives. Come, and I'll tell you then. The movie was almost over. The three of them came out of there. Should we go too? Janvi said. We'll go after eating. Let her go. Don't be the fly in their ointment. They will curse us in their minds. Renuka teased Preeti. I'm not taking any bones with me, Preeti said as she went down in the lift. Outside the mall, Pradeep Mehta was waiting for her. Let's go to the top floor. We'll eat there. Janvi went into the lift. As Renuka was about to enter the lift, Anik Verma grabbed her hand from behind. Please, Janvi, you go. We'll be there in a moment. Let me talk. Renuka wanted to go with Janvi, but Anik didn't let go of her hand. So Janvi smiled and said goodbye. I'm going. You come later. Janvi wanted them to talk alone. Anik took Renuka by the hand and led her aside. As the lift door began to close, the masked man who had been sitting next to Janvi entered the lift. Janvi glanced at him and then looked at her phone. As the lift began to ascend, Jairaj removed his mask. I need to talk to you. Jairaj stood in front of Janvi. Janvi looked at him in surprise because it had been 4 months and he hadn't even inquired about Janvi, and today he had come to talk to her. Janvi didn't reply and kept looking at her phone. Jairaj grabbed her phone. I need to talk to you. Where do I need to sign? I'll do it. You didn't need to come. You could have sent it through Pradeep Mehta, Janvi said, turning her face away. She didn't want to appear weak by showing the tears in her eyes to Jairaj. Listen to me, Janvi. I need to talk to you. We can sit and talk. By then, the lift had reached the top floor. As soon as the lift opened, Janvi started to get out. Jairaj grabbed her wrist and pulled her back. Please just listen to me once, Janvi. Janvi pushed Janvi against the side of the lift. They were very close. They were looking into each other's eyes. He was looking at those blue eyes filled with immense anger. He knew her anger was justified. He had come in front of her so many months after that incident. Let me go, Janvi said. We can talk. Come with me for 10 minutes. Don't worry, I don't want any divorce money. Send the papers and I'll sign them. Janvi pushed him with both her hands and got out of the lift. Jairaj came out behind her, but there were many people in the hotel on the top floor. He put his mask back on and went down in the lift. Janvi was also very distressed. She sat at an empty table. A little later, Renuka also arrived. She came muttering curses about Anik. He didn't even want to talk, just wasted my time. I don't know if he has work or not. She grumbled about Anik. As she sat down, she looked at Janvi's face. Janvi's eyes were filled with tears. He came. Who? Renuka didn't understand what she meant. Jairaj, he wanted to talk to me. He was with me in the lift. What was he saying? He said we could talk for 10 minutes. I refused. Why didn't you break his face? Did you know what he was saying? No, I told him to send the divorce papers. I'll sign them. That's all there is to it. Why do I feel like Anik knew about this? That Anik deliberately didn't let me come into the lift. He stopped me. I need to talk to him. Renuka was angrier with Anik than with Jairaj. What's Anik's fault in this now? You always blame him. No, this man is not that simple. Anik Verma met us the same day Jairaj was drunk. What connection does that have? He helped us. With him help, you took me to the hospital. No, I need to ask Anik Verma about this. But I think I'll have to pretend to be in love. Renuka started thinking, what are you saying? Pretend to be in love?
हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें। यहाँ हजारों कहानियां हैं आपके लिए। What is Anik's fault in this now? You always pick on him, Janvi said. No, this man is not that straightforward. Anik Verma met us that day. The day Jairaj was drunk, Renuka said. No, what's the connection with that? He helped us. With his help, you took me to the hospital, Janvi said. No, I have to ask this Anik Verma. But it seems I'll have to act in love, Renuka thought. What are you saying? Acting in love? Janvi asked. There's something Anik knows, Renuka said. Renuka called Anik. Did you leave? Renuka asked lovingly. No, I'm still in the mall. While talking, he looked at Jairaj sitting with him in the car. Then come, let's have dinner if you're free, Renuka said. Okay, I'm coming. Anik cut the call and started talking to Jairaj. Look, Mr. Singhania, I created the situation for you. If Mrs. Singhania doesn't want to talk to you, what can I do? Anik said. Remember one thing, Anik. If my love story fails, yours will never happen. Whatever anger Renuka has towards me, she will take it all out on you, Jairaj said. What is my fault in this? I didn't even know you before. I just helped your wife. And Renuka was coming to meet me that day for marriage. My love story ended before it even began, Anik said. There's no point crying now. Jairaj Singhania smiled, looking at him. Preeti and Mr. Mehta also know everything. You talk to them, Anik suggested. There's no point. She considers Pradeep Mehta her partner too. Anything he says is meaningless. Preeti is her friend. If she speaks on my behalf, their friendship might break, Jairaj said. And look, Mr. Singhania, the help I provided has already broken my engagement before it was finalized, Anik said. Don't worry, your love story is my responsibility. Just talk to Janvi. Help me with that. She is calling you. Go now, Jairaj said. I'm going, Anik said, glaring. Don't worry. Everything will be fine, Jairaj said. It will be fine, my foot. Anik Verma grumbled as he got out of the car. Seeing him leave, Jairaj Singhania smiled. His and Renuka's pairing will be just fine. They are alike. But I need to talk to her, he thought while sitting in the car. What happened? Why did you call me suddenly? Preeti asked. Bua is coming. She'll arrive in an hour. Her flight is scheduled, so you need to shift your belongings to my room before she arrives, Pradeep said. As he spoke, he didn't even look at Preeti. You need to shift to my room. Bua might stay with us for a week, but she shouldn't find anything about us. In her eyes, we should be a happy married couple. Okay, Preeti agreed to his every word. You're driving so slowly. Bua will reach before us. I'll drop you and go to pick up Bua. There's a maid at home. Shift the luggage with her help, Pradeep said. First, you should call me Tum. Otherwise, it will be known in a minute when you speak to me so formally, Preeti said. Okay, I won't, Pradeep Mehta said. Despite not wanting to, a smile crept on his face at her words. He dropped her at the building and left to pick up Bua. Preeti went upstairs by lift. A little later, Anik Verma had reached Janvi and Renuka. Thank God you took pity on me. He started to sit there. Looking at you, it doesn't seem like you're an educated boy who studied abroad. It seems like you used to chase girls in college, Renuka said. Why, Renuka? Are you pulling his leg? Janvi said. They had ordered food. The food arrived shortly. While eating, Renuka deliberately brought up the topic. Janvi, so what have you decided? About Jairaj. Are you divorcing him? Renuka asked Janvi. Janvi looked at her. Yes, I am, Janvi replied. Why? Anik asked. Now, you tell me. Why should one stay with a man who cheats? So, one should get a divorce. I told her, apply in court, ask for a divorce. And then we have Anik. He'll testify in our favor. Did I say it right? Renuka asked. When they get divorced, then I'll think about marriage with you. What? Anik's spoon fell from his hand. Why are you panicking? It's their divorce, not ours. Their divorce and our marriage will happen together, Renuka said. What if they don't get divorced? Anik understood that Renuka suspected him. What are you thinking? Am I some fool? Renuka asked. When did I say you are a fool? Then why did you send Jairaj with her in the lift today? Renuka asked. Look, why are you spoiling our love story in the fight between Mr. and Mrs. Singhania? I love you so much. I swear, I will never give you a reason to complain in life. I will do whatever you say. He got up from his place and knelt in front of Renuka. Renuka started looking at everyone. Renuka smacked her forehead. Get up, everyone is looking at me. Many people have even made videos. Remember, if you don't marry me, I will commit suicide. I will jump from the top floor of this mall, Anik said. Janvi started laughing at their conversation. You were trying to trap him and you got trapped yourself. By the way, you two make a good pair. I like you. If he agrees, I'll call you Jiju, Janvi said. Looking at the two of them, Janvi's mood changed. Look, your friend has also agreed. Now you agree too.